Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to customize your command prompt, like changing backgrounds, changing font size, and a lot of other stuff. So first of all, open the command prompt. You can just search CMD on the start bar and change it. So we open the command prompt. On the top where you see this title bar, whatever you call, right click on this one and click on the defaults option. In defaults you can see there is colors option. So right now you can see the default screen background is black. Suppose I don't need black, I just need this one, like a shell script. I think this color is shell, Windows shell color, I think. I believe so. So anyway, I just want this color and just click on OK. I can change it, doesn't change anything, but this one, it will come into effect when you restart again. So search CMD again. I can see that the background is changed already. I'll try once more. Let me choose another color, for example blue, and I close this one. When I search CMD, you can see that it's changed black. But sometimes the white color that we are using, it will not be visible for us to see it clearly. So in that case, what you can do, you can change the font color as well. For let's this one as the color, and the font font size you can change here as well. Sorry, screen text, I'm sorry about that. Screen text, I'm changing it to black. So you can see that the color of the text has been changed to black, and the background has I chosen a light yellow color. So let's click on OK and go back and CMD again. Now it looks better, and if I type something, for example, I'm trying to ping, I think 0.1 is my gateway. Yeah, you can see that it looks better than the previous black, but some people still they will take the black, so they can use that one. I just wanted to show them options here. And here you have option to change the size as well. You can make it 28 or 36 so that it will be easy for us to see. This one also you need to close and open to see that. Now you can see that the command prompt has changed, the font size is increased. Now you can see the clearly what is being written. So that's how you can change the size of the font, and you can choose a different font as well, more beautiful font. I can see that the font has been changed. And another option is you can make it cursor size small, medium or large. If you want, in default it will be small. If you want to change it to medium or large, you can do it. And you can use this option, Control Shift C or V, as copy paste. So you can see you cannot directly copy paste with Control C and Control V, but you can add a shift to the shortcut and copy paste. This will be very helpful when we want to copy and paste from the web pages or something. So that's cool. And here you can, the default screen buffer size, you can change it if you want, and you can click on wrap text on resize. So automatically the text will be wrapped depending on the window size, and the window size has been given here, default window size and window position. You can change it if you uncheck this one, let system position window option, so that you can make changes on this one. This one normally we don't need it, so I don't want to use this one, but you can change it. And now pop-up text and pop-up background, you can change it. Terminal, you can use separate foreground for terminal colors, and you can use separate background. And cursor shape, you can change it underscore, vertical bar or empty bar, solid box, whatever color. Cursor color, you can make it use color, you can make change RGB here, and the color will be automatically changed. Just click on OK. Let's open again CMD. Now you can see a lot of thing has been changed. You can see the blinking command prompt in a white color. That looks nice. That we have done the changes over here. So I believe this video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.